I have loved as much as I could, from the hedgehog's quill to the pain of a fight, from a grieving mother to an orphaned child. So what is there to cry for in the foul smell of the world? The person who has not fled from that fear, that is the one I am in love with. Well, a brave person has not felt fear, with their young hands fresh as love, like a budding branch in spring. A long road to walk, blood is seeped in, tears have been required. I cannot say that one does not cry out of longing. The sentence would then be a lie, my love would then be a lie. It would be a lie, a lie, a budding branch in spring. Has not felt fear, with their young hands fresh as love, like a budding branch in spring. A long road to walk, blood is seeped in, tears have been required. I cannot say that one does not cry out of longing. The sentence would then be a lie, my love would then be